since we've actually had to deal with something physical, a physical issue. And getting your hand strengthened up enough to do bar chords is a physical thing, and it takes time. For the average student, to get these bar chords down like you need to, it takes about 3 weeks. So don't feel discouraged if I'm running them through them real quick and you don't get them in the first 10 minutes. It takes about 3 weeks of giving him about 5 or 10 minutes each day to toughen up that finger and get him strong enough to do what he needs to do. You can't just do it for a couple hours and be there. It generally takes a little bit longer than that, so don't be discouraged when you do that. Okay? Now let's talk about major scales. Remember our major scale? It is a pattern of half steps and whole steps. What's the pattern? 2 wholes and a half, whole, whole, half, and then 3 wholes and a half, whole, whole step, half. Put that all together, whole step, half step, whole step, half step. Let's play it, or let's spell it in G, if we were in G. G, now I need a whole step, that's A. Now I need another whole step, B. Now I need a half step, C. I need a whole step now, D. I need another whole step, E. And now I need a third whole step, which that's going to make that an F sharp. E to F sharp. And then I need a half step at the end, F sharp to G. So a G scale is G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. We're going to learn about keys and key signatures next time, but that F sharp is telling you some very important information. In the key of G, we have an F sharp. Let's do one more. Let's spell a B flat scale. Starts on a B flat, then I need a whole step above a B flat, should be C. I need another whole step, D. Now I need a half step up from a D. That would be an E flat. So far I've got B flat, C, D, E flat. Now I need a whole step to an F, another whole step to a G, another whole step, third whole step, that would be to an A, and then our half step at the end gets us back to B flat where we started. So a B flat scale is B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat. I would encourage you to spell the scales that we have in the worksheets there if you haven't done so already. Once you've done them, it's not like you've solved the problem. Once you do them, go back and do them again. So I would write down on a piece of paper, C, F, all the different keys. Should have 12 of them by the time you're done. And then write out those major scales again, and write them out again, and write them out again, until you can memorize that a B flat scale has a B flat and an E flat in it, and a G scale has an F sharp in it. Now it may seem like a lot of information, and it is a lot of information, but it's like your multiplication tables. You just kind of have to memorize them, because where we're going, it's going to take, you're going to need that information quickly and readily. So I'd encourage you to, if you need to, stop everything now. Don't go on until you memorize those scales and what sharps and flats go with those. We'll talk more about the keys next time. It's very hard work at it, but you can do it. Learning music is a big task, and not very many people delve into actually understanding what they're playing. That's what separates the average player from going beyond average. So I'm glad you've chosen to do that. So we'll see you next time.